Hello there, welcome back to the Once a Week Kitchen. At last, the book's now available from my website. Now the website address is at the end of the video, so I can guarantee if you follow this book it will change the way you cook forever, and it will save you a lot of time. Hello there, welcome back to the Once a Week Kitchen. Today I'm cooking pork medallions, which is pork fillet, and it's a really delicious recipe with shallots and mustard sauce and cream. It's good enough for a dinner party any day, and as usual it's quite simple. Today I'm cooking pork loin with a creamy mustardy sauce. So I've got one pork loin, that cost me £2.82. Now it's very lean, but as you can see there are some bits that need trimming off. It's going to be pan fried, so we don't want the grotty bits. I'm going to trim that carefully with a sharp knife. I've got 4 banana shallots which I'm going to peel and slice. I've got whole grain mustard, double cream, salt and pepper, and 400 ml of chicken stock, some vegetable oil, some butter and some potatoes which I'm going to make into a creamy mash. So this is going to be good enough for a dinner party, and it will serve 3 people. So if you've got 6 guests, you're going to need 2 of these. So let's get cracking. So I've prepared the potatoes. They're in salted water, so they're going on the stove now to cook. I'm going to put the oil and butter in a big frying pan, and these are the pork medallions that I've trimmed and sliced, and we're going to start to cook. I've got the pan on a medium heat, so pop in the oil and the butter, and we want those to sizzle and turn frothy. So the butter and oil's ready now, so we start to add in the medallions. You start at 12 o'clock and work your way around. Then you can remember how long each piece has been in the pan. I'm going to cook these now until they turn golden on one side, and then we'll turn them over and cook the other side. It doesn't take long. You need to be careful with pork fillet not to overcook it. Just got to be cooked through. The longer you cook it, the harder and tougher it gets. So I'm going to cook this now until it starts to turn golden. You'll see halfway up the fillets that it's changed colour. That then is the time to turn it over. Until then I won't touch it. I'm going to turn the pork over now, so start at the same place. You'll see it started to brown. That's what we want. It's taken about 4 minutes. I've washed the tongs in between because we're touching raw meat, then touching cooked meat. So I shall do the same again now. I shall wash them again. You can't be too careful with raw meat. So I'm going to wash them. So the pork's done now. Test it by sticking a fork in it and making sure that the juice has run clear. Remember, it's pork we're dealing with here, and you can't serve it pink, so it's got to be thoroughly cooked. But with it being fillet, it doesn't take too long. I would say that's taking about 10 minutes in total. So I'm taking the pork out now and leaving it on a plate to rest. Perfect. And I say these are clean tongs. No residue of raw meat on those. Can't be too careful. Health and safety and all that. Very important when you're cooking. So I'm going to take the pan off the heat for a minute. Put these on one side. Actually, the shallots go in now. Give them a good old stir. We're going to cook these till they're tender. 2 or 3 minutes, that's all. Oh, that's all. Then we'll make the sauce. Now the shallots are tender. It's time to go in with a big dollar or 2 of whole grain mustard. And stir that in. I'm going to pour in the stock. And then we're going to cook that for a few minutes to reduce it. Right, the sauce is reduced now, and I've tasted it for seasoning and it's fine. So the next thing is to add in some double cream. It's just a matter of taste really, how much cream you add. It's quite rich. As I say, it's a special dinner party style dish, this. So at that point, we can add in the pork. That helps to thicken it up. So that's more or less, once the pork's heated through, that's more or less ready to serve. And it smells wonderful. Yum yum. That's it then. Creamy mashed potato with pork loin in a creamy mustard sauce with shallots. Delicious. Can't wait to tuck in. See you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Bye.